Today we're speaking with Steve Craig, the editor of our Energy Pro service. Steve, the sharp decline in crude oil is dominating the news, and everyone seems to be asking the same question: when will it bottom out? What's your take? Are we at the bottom?
The pat answer is not yet. From a fundamental perspective, the focus has clearly shifted to oversupply. The growth in U.S. production has been well documented, and the other problem is sluggish economic growth around the globe. More oil with slowing demand is a 1-2 punch for a supply imbalance, which can have a lingering effect on prices. Technically speaking, the market is oversold by most any measure. Take a look at the weekly chart of crude oil, where the relative strength index has been oversold for the past few, not days, not weeks, but for months now. Extreme RSI readings often precede important market turns, and it's commonly referred to as divergence, where momentum wanes as the price reaches a new extreme. There can be a big lag, like we had at the 2008 peak, or more commonly, a relatively quick one like we saw at the '08 low. This makes momentum an inexact timing tool, and I've tried to hammer home that point to subscribers. The RSI oscillator does, however, serve two very useful purposes. It often indicates the presence of a fifth wave, the final wave from an Elliott perspective, so it can help validate a wave count, and it also highlights the maturity of a trend. And with the weekly daily sentiment index near a record low, meaning almost all of the small traders pulled by Jake Bernstein are bearish on oil, and this happens near market bottoms, the current decline could said to be on life support. So back to your question as to when oil will bottom out, the wave structure suggests that a tradable low is drawing near. Whether it will be a lasting bottom, however, remains to be seen.
Thanks for your insight, Steve.
Anytime.